Hey guys, I hope you're having a good day. So today I'll be doing another cleaning motivation video. I will be doing a few things around the house, and the most important thing that I want to do right now is make up my bed so that can be more inviting and calming when it's time to go to sleep tonight. Happy Thursday to you guys. I hope you have some good planning activities for you and your family. I know family time on the weekend is a goal for me. So now I'm at my makeup table. We do sleep with 2 blankets in the bed, but I just went ahead and just put it in my closet. I am also doing more surface cleaning on my makeup table. There's a little bit more that needs to be done, but right now I'll just put up the things that I've been using on a regular. My restroom gets so dirty. We started using some black charcoal toothpaste, and it's like messy every morning, every night. Also, the daily products that we have to use, instead of just putting it back, I have to put it back right now. So I love using my Lysol wipes on everything. It's just so convenient. I don't have to have a little cleaning basket that I have to carry, which I do need to make one though.
Doing what you do, just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do, do what you like to, what you like to do, what you like to, what you like to, what you like to do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. We shouldn't care about anyone who brings us down.
I'm in the kitchen now. Today is trash day, so I have to make sure I take that out. Now, if my husband was home, he'll be doing that instead of me. But we have at least 6 trash cans in the house, so I have to make my rounds.
Do what you like to, what you like to do. Do what you like to, what you like to, what you like to do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like to, what you like to do. Do what you like to, what you like to, what you like to do. Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smoke is in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
Somehow there was some ice cream in my drawer where I put all my silverwares, so I did take some time to go ahead and clean that up.
Where you wanna go, I am sure you believe me. But if I mean to show you, I will never let you go. No, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh, baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Everything makes total sense when you're next to, when you're next to, when you're next to me.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high.
This room is not used enough to be dirty, but it's dirty. So I went ahead and got that taken care of before the day of me working hard is over. If you guys made it to the end of this video, please subscribe to my channel. I would love for you to join the squad. Alright, thanks for watching.
Never figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my